Last class we are learning about the multiplications and we done the word problems, that is two-digit number. Today we are going to study multiplication only, that is coming to page number 53 in your textbook, that is activity 9 children. So multiplication of two-digit number by a two-digit number. See, first one is what? Multiply. There is two method is there. I will teach you children. Multiply. See, first sum is what? 27 multiplied by 15. Okay. See, first method they are shown in the example. See there. Okay, expand one number and then you have to multiply. Okay, 78 is multiplied by what? So, see there is method is there. I will tell you 27 multiplied by 15. Okay, this is out is there. First you multiply, that is 27 into, expand this number 10 plus 5. Okay, first you multiply 27 into 10 plus 27 into 5. Okay children, so you first multiply the number 21 sevens are 7, 1 twos are 2, how many 0 is there? 1 0 is there, put right side of the number, plus 5 sevens are 35, 3 carry, 5 twos are 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay children, so add now, 1's place is 0, 1's place is 5, so 0 plus 5 is 5, 10's place is 7, 10's place is 3, 7 plus 3 is 10, write 0, 1 carry, in 100 place 2 and here 1, 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, carry 1 is 405. Okay children, this way also you can do the multiplication. Then another one way, in short method we can do is under C, that is 27 multiplied by 15. No, it is there. So what you will do now? First 27 multiplied by 5. Ones place. See, tens ones is there. So first multiply 27 from the ones place. So from 5 multiply. 5 sevens are 35. 3 carry. 5 twos are 10. 11, 12, 13. So 135. Okay children. Now it is in the ones place is over now, tens place. How many 10 is there here? 110. So 27 multiplied by 10. So 27 ones are 27, 0, 1. Okay, 270. So what you will do now? You both add here. See now right there. 27 into 5 is how much? 135. 27 into 10, because it is in tens and ones. How many tens is there? 110 is there. So multiply 27 by 110. You will get 270. 0, 7, 2. Now add both. 5, 3 plus 7, 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2 is 405. See children, how much you got while expanding one number and you multiply now? That is 405. And 27 multiplied by 15. See there. See another one I will show how can you do like that. You can expand now. Okay. See here. 27 multiplied by 15. Okay. So 27 multiplied by, expand this one. 10 into 10 plus 5. Okay children. 10 plus 5 they are given. Okay. Expand that number. Now write here. 20 first multiplied 27 into 5. 27 into 5 is how much children? 135. Right? 135. Now 27 into 10 is 270. Okay. Already we have done now. 270 into 27 into 10 is 270. 27 ones are 27 1 0. Now add. So 405 children. In which method you can do, or you know the table, you can directly do the multiplication. Okay. So activity 3, first one is multiply. 58 multiplied by 26. Okay children. So easy way you can do that one. 58 multiplied by 6. 58 multiplied by 6. 6 8s are 48. Okay, 4 carry. 6 5s are 30 plus 4 is 34. 348. Okay, now how many ones place over tens place? Okay, so you can put here 0. Ones place is over, now you can put 0 and multiply 58 into 2. That is 210 means 20. Otherwise you can put 58 into 20 also you can do, children. 1 0 is there, write it now. Multiply 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 is 11. So 0 6 1 1. Okay. 8 plus 0 is 8, 4 plus 6 is 10, right here 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, then 1. Okay, children. 69 multiplied by 32. Okay, that is what? 69 multiplied by 32 means 30. Expand that number, 30 plus 2. So first 69 multiplied by 2. Okay. 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 1 13. So write 138. Now 69 multiplied by 30. See 0, 1 0 is there. So 3 9s are 27, 2 carry, 6 3s are 18 or 3 6 are 18 plus 2. Because 0s are 0, you have written 1 0. Now from 3 27, 3 9s are 27, 7 2 carry. 3 6 are 18 plus 2 is 20. Okay, now write 0 7 0 2. Now add this both. 8 plus 0 8, 3 plus 7 10, 0 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2 2. Okay, children. Which method is easy? You can do both the numbers. Okay. Now, first start from ones place, children. This is tens and ones. Now, start from the ones place. 3 sevens are 21. Carry 2. Okay. 3 sevens are 21. Carry 2. Now, 3 eights are 24. 24 to 25, 26. Now, ones place is over now, children. We can put 0 here for the ones place. Over. Now we have to start from the tens place. That is 4 sevens are 28, 8, 2 carry, 4 8s are 32 plus 2, 34. 1, 6 plus 8 is how much? 14, 4, 1 carry, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 3. Okay, children. So you have 3 digits there, that is 100, tens and ones. 5 3s are 15, 5, 1 carry. 5 8s are 40 plus 1, 41, 1, 4 carry. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. Now ones place is over, you can put 0 here. Now start from the tens place only because it is tens digit now. So you have to multiply these 3 numbers also from 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 1, 5. Now add this, okay? 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 6 is 7, 4 plus 6 is 10, 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay, children? So coming to page number 54 in your textbook, children. That is multiplication of 2-digit and 4-digit number by 2-digit number. Here we have done 100, tens, ones, 3-digit number. Now we can go for the 4-digit means it is thousands. Okay. Two six from always you have to start from the ones place only, children, then tens, 100, 1000 like 2 6 are 12, right? 2 carry 1, 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 15, carry 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 ones are 2. Now ones place is over. What we do? We put 0. Okay. Now start from the tens place. 3 6 are 18. Write 8. Carry 1. 3 sevens are 21 plus 1 22. Right? Carry 2. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2 14. Carry 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. Now add this on. Okay. 2 plus 0 2. 5 plus 8 is 13. Right here 3. Carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Right? 2. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Right? 4. Okay children, 2 digits or 3 digits is given. Multiply from the 2 digits, that is 3, 2, 4, we are done. Okay, now we can go for the word problem, activity 10. See, first one, so page number 55, activity 10, solve the following problem. See, Shruti can type 75 words in a minute. How many words can she type in 48 minutes? So, for 1 minute, how many words she type? 75 words. For 48, we have to find out. Okay, see. 1 minute, 75 words. Okay. For 48 minutes, is how much? So, what you do? 48 into 75 multiply. Okay. So, if you don't know, go for working column and you can multiply children. 48 into 75. Okay. So, 5 8s are 40. 4 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 24. Now, 1's place over 0. 7 8s are 56. Carry 5. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 5 is 33. Okay. 0. 4 plus 6 is 10. Right? 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3. So, how many words she can type for 48 minutes? She can type 3600 words in 48 minutes. How many words she can type in this one? 3600 words. She can type in 48 minutes. Okay. How many words she can type? 3600 words she can type in 48 minutes. So, second one children, a box contains 48 chopsticks. How many chopsticks are there in 73 such box? A box contain how much? One box contain how much? 48 chop. Okay. So 73 such box. 73 boxes. How much? So 73 into 48. So 73 into 48. 8 3s are 24. 2 carry. 8 7s are 56 plus 2. 58. Then 1's place is over, you put 0 here. 4 3s are 12, 1 carry. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29. Now add. 4, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 9 is 15. Right? 5, 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. So, one box contains 48 chalks. So, 73 boxes contain how much? 3504 chalks. Okay, children? Second one, this one. Third one. Okay. Third one is that there are 24 slices of bread in one loaf. How many slices are there in 65 loaves? Okay. So, in one loaf, how many slices is there? Bread slice 24. Therefore, for 65 loaves, how much? So, 65 into 24. Sorry, children. 24. So, you can do that is 65 into 24. 24. Okay. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry. 4 6 are 24 plus 2, 26. One's place is over, you can put 0 here. Now 10's place 2 5s are 10. Write 0, 1 carry. 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13. Now add this 0 plus 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 1. How many slices is there? So 1560 slices is there. Okay, children. Next, fourth sum, children. See, a carton contains 165 books. A carton box contains how many books? 165 books. How many books will 54 such cartons contain? $165 books. Okay. 54 such. So you can go for working column and you can multiply. Okay. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry. 4 6 are 24 plus 2. 26. Right here 6 carry 2. 4 ones are 4 plus 2 is 6. Now 1's place is over. You can put 0. Now 10's place. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 6 are 30 plus 2. 32. 3 carry. 5 ones are 5 plus 3. 8. Now add 0. 6 plus 5 is 11. Right here 1 and carry 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9. 8. So how many books is there? 8,910 books. So fifth sum, children. See, the cost of chair is rupees 375. What is the cost of 18 such chairs? Okay. One chair cost is how much, children? Rupees 375. So cost of 18 chairs. 18 chairs is how much, children? So 18 into 375. So in working column you go 375 multiplied by 18. So 8 5s are 40, 0, 4 carry. 8 7s are 56 plus 4 is 60, 0, 6 carry. 8 3s are 24, 6, 30. Now 1's place is over, right? 1 5s are 5, 1 7s are 7, 1 3s are 3. Now add 0, 5, 7, 6. So cost of 18 chairs is how much, children? Rupees 6,750. Okay, children, I done 5 sums. Remaining 3 sums you can try it. Okay, thank you.